Here in this video, I'll be discussing setting time on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, either the 41mm or 45mm, GPS on cellular or just GPS only, then this video is going to teach you, or it's going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how to change time zone, and also set the time on your Apple Watch Series 9. Now, setting time on Apple Watch Series 9 has to do with whether you want to set the time to 24 hours time or 12 hours time, to use AM and PM, or just strictly 12 hours time, and you changing the time zone to your preferred time zone on your Apple Watch. Now, if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, talking about setting time on Apple Watch Series 9, the first one to do is want to drop your Apple Watch, then go grab your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone and your Apple Watch are connected together. You can confirm this by turning on Bluetooth on your Apple Watch and then turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then your iPhone and your Apple Watch will be connected. That is if you have connected or paired the two devices together before. Otherwise, you need to check the video description to see how to pair your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. Then after that, go to your iPhone settings. Then one of the settings page on your iPhone, scroll down and click on General. Then under General, scroll down and click on Date and Time. Now, once you select the date and time, you see set automatically turned on or 24 hours turned on. If set automatically is turned on and 24 hours time is turned on your iPhone, the same thing is going to reflect on your Apple Watch. Now, to set the time on your Apple Watch Series 9 automatically, turn this on. That is set automatically. That is going to use your iPhone time zone to set your Apple Watch Series 9 time zone and time. However, to change your time zone on your Apple Watch while setting time on your Apple Watch Series 9, just disable set automatically. Then tap time zone and choose where you want to use on your iPhone. You can just search for the time zone on the search box here. Just search for Accra in Ghana. Select this, and this is going to set Accra in Ghana time on my Apple Watch. You see that? That's on my Apple Watch Series 9. Then you can just come back here again, choose whatever you want to choose. Let's say I want to use Angola time. Just select Angola. Then you can see Luanda, Angola. Then I'm going to have the Luanda, Angola time. If you want to change your time zone from Luanda to, let's say, Philippines, Manila in Philippines, then you're going to have the Filipino time on your iPhone. This is because we are using the 24 hours time. And if I go ahead and disable this, I'm going to have this as 5 p.m. So that, then to make sure your iPhone automatically sets your Apple Watch time, by picking the time zone on your iPhone and reflect it on your Apple Watch, just come here and turn on set automatically. And with that, I'm going to have my time zone turned back to my time zone automatically without even changing the time zone on my iPhone or Apple Watch. So this is exactly everything you need to know about setting time on Apple Watch Series 9 with your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.